How to refund item on Roblox. So welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to make a quick tutorial on how you can refund your items on Roblox. So I hope so. If you are looking for this tutorial, then you might have account already and you are looking for some help in this video. So in here I am going to give you a simple step how you can refund your items from Roblox. Just you need to be click on setting option. You will find out this setting option in the right corner of top side. Then click on the help and safety option. Just click over here and it will redirect you to the help and safety page. Once you found out this page, you need to be go on help center. Once you click on help and center, they will redirect you to another new page. Here you have lots of options. You can see Roblox account, I need help with my account. Then they have also payment, gift and subscription options. So I will click this one. It is not related to your refund option, so you can click whatever you want. So Roblox account, so I will click here from protect your account. This okay, it is not a necessary thing. You can choose anything you want from here. Then I will click again here, and once I click over here, I have documentation here, but I will scroll down and I will enter on that place need more help and contact support here. Just click here. Once you click here, it will be redirect you to this page. Here you can send them a direct message and they will reply or they will refund your items from Roblox. So here you need to be fill up all the box. So I will give my first name. It is optional, it is not mandatory. So if you want to add, you can. If you need to add your email address, it is mandatory. So you need to be type your email here. I will paste my email here. Then I will again paste my confirmation email to the next box. Then I will discuss my issue details in this box. So here I will select what device are you having the problem on. Actually I am facing problem with my PC and also I have a problem with my MacBook also, but right now I will discuss about PC with them. In the second option, they are asking us type of help category. So here I will click on bill and payments. Once I click on bill and payments, they will give me further option here. So in this third box, I will click on this option. I have an issue with my purchasing Roblox. Then I will describe my issue. So let's write something. Recently I just purchased a PC. I just purchased a PC from Roblox, but I am disappointed. I am disappointed about my PC, that my PC have a scratch. My PC have a scratch and it is not well packaged, and also it is not well packaged. So once you complete your description, you just need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will be take a time and they will give you a verification option. Just complete your start puzzle option. Once I complete it, I will go ahead. So as you can see, my verification has been completed and Roblox has been received my mail through their customer service. So now they will reply my issue and they will try to fix it, or if they are not able to fix the issue, then they will refund my item. And this is the end of here the video. I hope you love this video. If you found out this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.